Welcome back to Diecast Resurrection. Since it's our last episode of Van Week, I thought I would go the extra mile today and we're going to try to do a mural on our little van here. So this one doesn't really have any markings other than Chevrolet, made in Hong Kong. It looks like a Yatming to me, even though it doesn't say Yatming. I didn't really notice before, but this bumper is humongous and it's almost like they forgot to separate a piece after manufacturing, possibly. Notice this little line here is suspicious. I think we're going to trim this bumper down since we're going to have to re-chrome it anyways. It's quite a mess. Got these little sexy windows on the side. I think we're going to be able to make it work. It's got good detail even though the base is kind of junk. So to get started, I guess I got one little rivet I got to drill here and we'll get this thing apart and we'll get going. This is going to be real cool. I'm going to try to use some of our paint stripper here, just open air. I feel like this stuff's runny enough. It's going to do the job. Man, that's working beautifully. That stuff is no joke. We even got epic sunroofs. Cool, so this really doesn't need too much work at all. So we'll just get her ready for paint here. A little bit of a crater over here. I don't think that's going to hurt our mural though. It's not going that far back, so probably just forget about that one. Alright. So we're going to hit this spray booth. I'm going to hit this with some silver sealer. Get this thing kind of primed. And then we'll come back. And then I got to mix a custom color for whatever this van's going to be. Alright. So I'll meet you in the spray booth. So here's what my plan is. I ended up using white as our base with a purpose. That's going to save me an extra step later. So what I'm going to do is this is the shape of our mural right here. I'm going to go ahead and stick this on. We're going to be able to paint the whole car orange, and then I'm going to peel this vinyl off and it's going to expose a white area. I'm going to very carefully cut out my little desert mural, got a little horse, and then that is going to provide the white that will make this little van mural in full color. And then I'm hoping we can very carefully go in with my airbrush and just blend colors in over the edges. So I left myself a good colored edge on this thing. So I'm going to just try blend into it so it looks seamless. Hopefully everything works out. This is kind of our first try doing this, so we will see. The other side of the van is going to be different too, so maybe let's do that. Get ready for this one. Yes. You can see I left another dark area here. That's for my wheel well. So I'm going to just kind of trim that out roughly here. Without the vinyl cutter, I mean, it would be a struggle. I think you could still get something like this done, but this doesn't have to be exact over here. As long as the color part is larger than this white part, we're good to go. Cool. So that's going to protect our white. Excellent. So now that we got our white figured out, I'm going to go back to the spray booth and I'm going to hit this now with some of that silver sealer and put a nice kind of flake coat over our whole van. Okay. And then once that's done, I'm going to start putting on some grabber orange candy. Okay. All right, we got a nice burnt orange going here. So now the next step of my master plan. All right, let's see how this looks. I'm going to throw down a little bit of micro set. Candy doesn't really like micro set very much, so try not to go too crazy with it. All right, that doesn't look too bad. We're going to flip to the other side right now. I'm just going to let this kind of set up and dry. So far so good. That looks promising. Ever so carefully. Ooh. Boop. Beautiful. And we're going to lay down some more micro set here. That's why we had to do the white square there, because yeah, we just don't get any light at all. Hell yeah, man, look at that. Oh, that's hilarious. Beautiful. Ah, it's almost like I made these decals specifically for this van, which I did. So now the trick is going to be for me to fire up the orange candy again, and I gotta just try to dust the edges of this to try to blend it all in without overspraying the center and losing all our color. It's a little while to dry though for sure before I try to do anything with it, but that is looking extremely promising right now, so awesome. All right, this is a bit of an oversight. I'm going to have to start over. No big deal. Reason being is I'm trying to just blend the edge in. As you guys know, every layer of candy that you put on gets darker. If I was doing what I was doing with an opaque color, I think we would have been fine. But the fact that I was trying to use candies is just making all these dark shades everywhere. It's going to be just impossible to do with candy. So I kind of figured I was going to run into issues like this as I was sitting in the spray booth. So we're going to start over. I'm going to drop her back in the old jar here, and I'm going to get back up to this point with a new plan, and we'll continue the video. So don't do what I did, because it ain't going to work. Alright, I'm going to give it another try here. This time I'm going to use an opaque color, which means as I'm spraying around our decal here, it's not going to get darker and darker and darker. It's going to just get to its final color, and that's as dark as it's going to get. So we're going to give this another try. Hopefully it's a little bit easier this time. Alright, so my second attempt wasn't that great either. The color I was using wasn't dark enough. Here's what I ended up doing. Good old black covers everything. I was able to blend up into my decals, so hopefully when this is clear coated we don't see the seam. It could be epic. I don't know. So, looks like it's going to work out alright, so it's going to be interesting. I got some details to do on this body, and we got to start doing some work on the base here. Boy, tackling the paint on that van was a lot more difficult than I thought it was going to be. I thought this was going to be an easy video, just a breeze. Yes, I'm going to just go ahead and snip these ends off here. Do 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 do. It's looking a little better. Still a little thick, but it's okay. As long as it doesn't stick out into the other lane of traffic, we're good. Alright, so I'm about to douse this thing in the Mural pan. I think that's going to make it look real good. It'll be like brand new. This stuff you have to put on like real runny. Alright, I've got this thing just coated with Mural. So I'm going to take it to the oven and I'm going to let it dry. And then I think we're going to go clear coat our van body and cross my fingers. Hopefully it looks great when it's clear coated. Because we got to finish off Van Week properly. You know what I'm saying, Vern? Hell yeah. So I got our van body clear coated. So I'm just trying to get the windshield cleaned up here. Do a couple little details on our base, etc. So we're almost ready for a reveal. This thing was pretty chipped up, so I'm just sanding it with a little 2000. And then of course I'll just polish with the Dremel. Can use a little of this Meguiar's here. I don't necessarily recommend this stuff, but I bought it, so I might as well use it. I think I saw Bare Metal use it once, so I was like, oh, if he uses it, it must be good. Beautiful. That one worked out really well. For this polish to work good, it needs to have the right kind of plastic, it seems. It needs to be that really hard, crispy windshield plastic. Alright, you guys ready to have a look at this thing? Glee, 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 glee. Hell yeah, look at that. Got a nice little desert scene. And our little Mustang on that side. I think it's looking real good. Let's get it up on the rotisserie. So what do you guys think of this creation? I think it looks pretty legit, honestly. Right down to those dorky wheels I put on it. Turned out alright for a Yatming van. I would have preferred to do it on a Hot Wheels super van or something a little bit different, but I think it's pretty sweet. Look at that thing. Yeah. When you see it in person, there's actually sparkles on the murals themselves. So they don't really film that well, though, unfortunately. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm a little bit relieved. This one was a little bit stressful, you know, having to try switch colors on the fly a few times. It was a good learning experience for me, so now I know what to do for next time. But that concludes Van Week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll lay off the vans for a while. I feel like doing a restoration or something like that. So I'm going to see what I got, and I'll have something for you in a couple days. I want to thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.